For a long time, I never thought that I would make it this far. I don't mean in terms of success or travel or making money or even making it here to this stage. I mean, for a long time, I never thought I would make it at all. 1 year ago, I came to my first meetup, drowning in anxiety. Panic attacks were a common occurrence. I made myself physically sick with stress, and I was worn out and depressed after months and years of this. And I don't share this with you for your pity or your sympathy or to make you think something of me. I share this because I need to, and because you need to too, and because last year a fab shared with me. Aaron Davis spoke during his Ignite to the anxiety that he faced when he went from college into the workforce. He was honest and real, so I could resonate with what he shared. I spoke with him after, and I asked him what got him through it. And he told me that just like anything else, anxiety was a problem that I could design think my way around. Well, duh, that just makes sense, right? We've spent this whole weekend building our toolbox for change for problems around us. Why not use it for problems within us? And that's not to say that this revelation cured me, it didn't, but it made it manageable. And he doesn't know this, but Aaron gave me the gift of helping me reframe my mental health. Thinking of it as a problem I could manage instead of an incurable part of me gave me power. And in applying design thinking, I radically rethought the way I thought about others. Because empathy is at the core of design. And yes, empathy means we must listen, but it really means we must connect. And the only way we connect is through our own experiences. And that is why, even if I could, I would never take away any of the anxiety or any of the depression, because this is the number of friends that I have talked down from nights they thought would be their last. And the only reason that I could be this friend was because I saw the pain that they tried to hide, because I knew what it looked like, and instead of ignoring it, I reached into it. I did not know exactly what they were feeling in that moment, but I knew what it felt like to not want to wake up the next morning. I could empathize with them in a deeper way and let them know that they were not alone. And this might not be the connection that you can give, but you have your own gift of empathy to share, because everyone struggles. Every single person in this room, no matter what it looks like on the outside, has a pain that they will try to hide because they don't want to be a burden or because they're too afraid to share. But being vulnerable with others allows them to bring down their walls and us our own. And we can finally connect in a way that is real. And that is why I share today. I need to be vulnerable with you so that you can be vulnerable too. With each other, with me, with everyone in this room. And because I need you to know that I see you. I know what it is like. So many people in this room know what it is like. But I am here. We are still here. And here in this room, we are designers, creators, entrepreneurs, engineers, authors, and so much more. But before we are any of those things, we are humans who are trying to get through life with other humans who are just trying to get through life. So how might we, in everything we do, every single day of our lives, start with love, end with compassion, and throughout it all, always return to empathy?